All right, so in class today, we focus on this concept of factoring. And right now, what I want you guys to do is the very end of it, when we went and factored, how would you rate yourself? Are you in desperate need of help? Are you getting there, almost there? Or yes, you understand it perfectly. So first thing I want you to do is rate yourself. And what you're going to do then is you're going to focus on 4 problems that we're going to do together. Then you're going to do 6 on your own and hand it in to the sub. Okay, so here we go. So today we said if we wanted to write this in factored form, so this is what we call factoring. And if we want to factor, what we do is we look for the numbers that multiply to give us C and add to give us whatever B is. So in this case, we want to find the numbers that multiply to give us 48 and add up to give you, right, 14. So we can think of all these numbers that multiply to give you 45, okay? Or sorry, 48. And if we think about it, you got, 24 and 2, you have 48 and 1, 6 and 8. Which set of factors add up to 14? Well, that adds up to 26, it adds up to 49, this adds up to 14. So right away, it's these factors. So x plus 6 times x plus 8, and right away, you could double check to see if it comes out. X times x is x squared. 8x plus 6x is 14x, right? 6 times 8 is 48. So right away, you know this set of factors is what works. And this is your answer. Okay, the next one. What do we need to find? We need to find the numbers that multiply to give you negative 27, add up to give you 6. So negative 27 and 1, negative 1 and 27. Then we have, 9 and 3. So 9 times negative 3, 9 times negative 9 times positive 3. Well, this adds up to negative 26, so that doesn't work. Positive 26, that doesn't work. 9 and negative 3 adds up to 6, right? Therefore, we know this would be x plus 9, x minus 3. Okay? Now I'm going to show you another thing that people like to do is they like to create this x, and they like to determine what would have to be the first two numbers to give me x squared. That'd have to be x and x, so they do this. Then I know I have to, the last two terms have to multiply to give me negative 30. So they put negative 30 up there and they put their trials here. 2 and negative 15. So what is negative 15x and 2x? So they cross multiply here and find that sum until they get negative 7x. Well, negative 15x and 2x is going to give you negative 13x. That doesn't work. So let's go ahead and change it, right? So we'll say, let's go negative 6 and 5. Negative 6x plus 5x gives me negative 1x. That doesn't work. So let's go ahead and think of another pair. 10 and 3. Okay, so let's try negative 10, positive 3. Negative 10 plus 3 is negative 7x, so right away, minus 10 plus 3. Okay, so we do it here, right? We know x and x is what gives us x squared, so we have x here, and now what multiplies to give us 32? We need to get 32, so that would be, let's see, 16 and 2. Well, that would give me positive 16x, 2x. Ooh, that's not going to work, right? Even if I made them. So let's try another one. Let's see, 8 and 4. 8x plus 4x gives me 12x. I need negative 12, so negative 8, negative 4. That will multiply to give me 32. Does it add up to negative 12? Absolutely. So x minus 8, x minus 4. All right. So whether you like to do it like I did number 1 and 2, or 3 and 4. Pick the method you like and do 1 through 6 on the bottom.